Let's see whether this ROM turns up fire in Redmi Note 3. Hey guys, it's me Solomon here from Acer, and this is the full review of the Firehound OS Oreo. Let's get started. For installing this ROM, you need to have an unlocked bootloader and a custom recovery pre-installed. The first step you need to do is to download the ROM file and the GApps file. I have provided all the links down below in the description box, so do check out that. After downloading each file, just keep it in your phone and let's go and install this ROM. Before wiping everything, I highly recommend you to take the backup of your current ROM. Once you backed up everything, as usual, go to wipe, then advanced wipe, then select everything except the internal storage and micro SD and swipe to wipe. And then you need to select the ROM file and the GApps file and swipe to confirm flash. The flashing will take around 2 to 5 minutes. If you are getting any errors while installing this ROM, please feel free to comment it down below. As of now, there are numerous count of custom ROMs based on Android Oreo for Xiaomi's former budget flagship like Redmi Note 3. There are many ROMs like Resurrection Remix, Lineage OS, AOSIP, Nitrogen OS, OmniROM, and there is a newcomer, the Firehound OS. The Nougat-based build of the Firehound ROM was not that good so much to those other Nougat ROMs out there. But now the team has managed to build an optimized Android vanilla experience with a power pack of their own tweaks and customizations. So let's check out some of the features that kept inside their ashes. The ashes tab in the settings menu does contain some customizations and tweaks just like the Resurrection Remix, which includes the status bar customizations, quick setting customizations, buttons customizations, navigation bar customizations, display tweaks, lights tweaks, sounds customizations, recents customizations, gestures, animations, lock screen customizations, and does include miscellaneous customizations just like wake lock blocker, alarm blocker, and media scanner on boot. The initial build was a bit buggy because it does contain some bugs just like the Wi-Fi was not working, the Bluetooth is not working, then the call quality was not good. Now everything has fixed. With an inbuilt OTA update facility, we will be able to get the latest Android security patch. This ROM is known for performance and stability. This ROM uses a custom kernel. It helps the ROM to excel in better performance. The gaming experience, the app opening animations, and in day-to-day usage, you will not notice any lag or force closes. As I told you earlier, this ROM does performs well in performance, so you can't expect that much battery life when compared to other Oreo ROMs out there. I rarely got 7 hours of screen on time on moderate usage. As this is the Oreo build of the ROM, you will get almost all pixel features just like the pixel emojis, picture-in-picture mode, autofill options, adaptive icons, etc. By concluding, those who need a stable, optimized and a better performing ROM for gaming and day-to-day usage and can sacrifice in battery life, this ROM is for you guys. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do like the video, please give us thumbs up. If you do want more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for more updates from us. So with that being said, it's me Solomon signing off from Acer. See you guys soon.